Hey, what's going on? ZeroDayJay here, hope all is well. It is Friday, November 7th. The market closed almost an hour ago. I just finished streaming about a half hour ago. If you were there, thank you so much for hanging out. If you weren't there, you missed out. I stream every single day for Power Hour 2 and through close. I also stream at other random times. I just never know when it's going to be. So if you want to hang out with a bunch of awesome people in the chat and watch me trade like a degenerate, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss when I go live. Anyway, I'm in my Tradeday account. Yes, my live Tradeday account. And Tradeday already updated, but I can show you how I did. And I can show you this too. We could do some quick math. So when I got this account, I guess last Friday or Sunday, I don't remember exactly when I got it, but I started trading it on Monday. I had $3,825 in drawdown. That's what they gave me. That's how much money's in the account for me to trade with. First day I lost 585 bucks. But now it's at 4,522. So I spent all week basically clawing back and getting back to break even. And after yesterday, I was a little bit over break even, which is awesome. I was green. And then today I had a decent day. I took a couple of trades that ended up with me having $655 in profit. The annoying part about that is I'll show you the trade. Actually, the trade I probably can't, but I'll try to show it to you. But either way, I'm positive in my live account by $697. We're gonna go and look at the stats. Hopefully Tradeday will be kind and actually let me see them, because I know at this time of day they're usually updating everything and reconciling the numbers across their entire platform for everyone that trades on Tradeday. So sometimes it moves slow and I might not be able to get the data. But this is what I'm up, because I started with 3,825. I can actually show you on Twitter because I posted it and I didn't trade anymore. But let me show you the trade that I took that I wish I fucking held a little longer. Right here. Oh, it's still in here. You see that? I took a trade a little bit before that, I think, for a little bit more. And I got 240 on this one. I got 340 on that one. It was a 786 or a 707 rejection on a larger time frame. And then it dropped another 280 ticks or so, which with one mini, which is what I was trading, could have been another 2,800 bucks if I got all of it. I'm not looking for all of it. I would love to get all of it, obviously, if you trade perfectly. But man, could I have gotten like another 50 ticks? You know what I mean? But I'm not complaining. It's just something that I'm going through, like, especially in this live account. It's tricky trading it because the fills aren't that great. It's live. It's real. It's not a sim-funded account, so the fills are fucking kind of shitty. And then, like, the candles move differently. It's just different. It's very different. But let me show you, if I can, if Tradeday will let me. Yeah, it's not, oh, 581. I actually had 655, but you know what happened? I traded last night. So you see here, I got 205 yesterday, but some of it was from the overnight session. So I got a trade. Where was it? Here. Yeah. See that? That was today's session, even though it was yesterday. It was actually right after the market reopened. I caught an $80 trade real quick. And then today, the rest of it came. Hopefully it updates. The rest of it came from those two trades I showed you. Now it's not going to update, but whatever. Let me show you. Well, let's see if, well, while we wait for that, let's see if I could. I posted it on Twitter here. So look, this is what the account looked like before Tradeday updated. I took a screenshot, be like, hey, look at me. But I like to share my progress and I share my results, good, bad, and the ugly. So this thing started down $585 after the first day of trading. And then I worked it all the way back up, and then now I'm up almost 700, and I requested 600. The request process is a little different than their regular sim-funded accounts, so I'm just waiting to hear back from them. But I'm sure they'll give it to me because I didn't request into the buffer. So it's anything over, and they have a minimum of $250 that you can request. It's over $250, so I should be good. I just never actually got paid on a live account with Tradeday before, so I'm waiting to hear back from them. I'm sure it'll be fine, but I did request $625. After I get my fees taken out, they take 20%. I'll end up with 500, and that's why I requested 625. And I'll still be a little bit over the buffer. So I requested 625. I'll end up with 500, and that will put me at 3,500 for the month, assuming Bullinox pays me the 3,000 I requested, which I don't see why they wouldn't. But I won't know until next Tuesday evening. So not a bad start to the month. And then if you factor in the last 3 weeks, because I've been on somewhat of a heater, assuming that I get this, which I should, right? In the last 3 weeks, $17,588 in payouts. So almost 9,000 of it is from Trade Day. So I've been killing it with Trade Day. And let's see if I could hold on to this account for a while. That's the goal. That's the plan, at least. I did up there. It's still, yeah, this, oh, there we go. So I did 581 and then I did, 80 or whatever. So that's where the 655 comes from after fees and whatnot. But let me show you overall if I can. I don't know if it shows like I don't know if it shows the day. Like, it would be cool if it had like a calendar. I don't know if it shows that anywhere. Because the first day, these are all the trades I took. So here was the first day. What's crazy is like the first day I had the account, all I had to do was just not move an order up higher and let it get filled where I originally thought we were going to go and then reject off of. But I expanded the fib and my order went higher because of it. And I should have just left it alone and I would have gotten easy, 80 or 100 ticks. And I didn't. And then I started to try to catch crumbs and it was the end of the day. And I lost 170, 310, 430, 560. And that doesn't include fees. So there was another $25 worth of fees, 25 or 26 bucks worth of fees from, entering and exiting trades. And then the first trade of the day in the next day was a $200 loss. But then I clawed back and got a bunch of it back. I mean, I've been on a pretty good run ever since that first day. So overall, I'm at a 65% win rate. And I was after losing my first 4 trades. Or first, how many was it? First 4, first 5? Let me go back down there. The first 5 trades I lost, and my win rate is at 65%. So not a bad turnaround. So anyway, with that said, Trade Day is still 30% off with no activation when you put in the best code ZERODAYJAY. You could literally be all in with a funded Trade Day account where you could get paid on day 1 and get paid every single day for as little as $69.30. My link's in the description below. If you have any questions or comments about any of this, leave it in the comment section below. I will keep you posted on whether or not I got paid and how this is going, obviously. Just come and hang out on the stream when I stream for Power Hour or any other time if you see the notification, because I let everyone know how I'm doing in all my accounts. I don't hide anything. I'm as transparent as they get when it comes to that type of stuff. I don't hide my account balances. I don't hide my account numbers. I show everything, even on days like today. Today was awful everywhere else. So if you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section below. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my streams or any of my updates. I'll talk to you soon. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for watching.